guys, we're going to be re-moisturizing Kayla's hair. Her hair is about a week and a half old, and as you can see, she's lost all signs of any defined curls. She's now at the point where she likes to rock her afro, so she wants to go ahead and re-moisturize and go ahead and define her curls. So we're going to be adding some water to her hair just to make it more pliable so that I can get my fingers through it, detangle, things like that. And we're going to be doing the lock method, you guys. So we're going to use a leave-in, an oil, and a cream to re-moisturize her hair. So we're going to be using the Shea Moisture Leave-In Conditioner, and I will post all information about all of the products that I use down below, so you guys will have that. We love this conditioner. She loves this conditioner. It feels really good on her hair. It basically lets me detangle as well. So it kind of stretches her hair out, softens it up. It makes it more pliable for me to be able to detangle, section her hair off, so on and so forth. So after applying that, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and section off her hair and detangle. And I like to use a pick to do this. Sometimes I use a detangling brush, but most of the time I use a pick. And she just got a haircut, so her hair is very healthy right now. She actually got her hair cut into a bob. So now we're going in with our oil, and we're using this oil from African Pride. This has like a lot of different essential oils in it, so she loves it. I love it. It's really good on her hair. And we're going to apply that section by section. So one thing, you guys, with our hair, we don't wash for 2.5 to 3 weeks. And when we do apply products, we just apply them to our hair and not to our scalp, because we don't want to get any buildup. So going 2.5 to 3 weeks, you kind of got to make sure that your scalp remains clean. So that's how we keep our scalp clean. So now I'm just adding the twisting cream that we're using, and we love this twisting cream. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. It's so butter. It's like butter. It melts in your hand, and it's just awesome. So we're gonna apply that section by section, and then we're gonna apply a 2-strand twist. And we're doing this in small sections because she wants very defined curls that'll last her for the rest of this week. And so yeah, just watch and see how I do this, guys. If I need to chime in and let you guys know anything, I will do that. All right, you guys, so her hair is all re-moisturized and all twisted up. And now, you guys, because it's morning time, we have to dry her hair. So instead of her sitting under the dryer, we're going to be using the Revair. And of course, you guys, I will post my review of this product down below so that you guys can see. I actually used it on my hair first to ensure that, you know, it was okay for her hair. But we were legit shook, okay? Shook at the fact that this machine was able to dry her twist right away, plus stretch them out for more length. And it did not take away any of the moisture we added to her hair. So her hair is still moisturized, it is dry, and now it is stretched. So you guys, like, this is something new for us that we're excited about. Because if she would have had to sit under the dryer, it would have taken her quite long. So we woke up a little bit early this morning to ensure that her hair would be done before she went off to school. And now that it only took us like 30 minutes to dry her hair, her twist, like, you can get a twist out in 30 minutes. Like, defined. Do you see when I take these twists out how defined they are? Oh my gosh. Like, guys, we found a new technique. Even for my hair, I'm going to be trying this. And just to let you guys know, like, everyone, you know, I've heard some remarks saying that, what about the tension? What about the tension that that blow dryer, that the reverse air dryer has? And as you can see, if it kept her twist, you know, together, the tension was not, you know, too heavy. So it kept her twist together. Look at the stretch and look at the defined curls. Her hair is still moisturized. Oh, we have fallen in love with this. So you guys, this is our new technique. Because her hair takes so long to dry. I mean, so long to dry. So usually I'll set her hair at night, and then in the morning, you know, hope and pray that it's dry. And most of the time, like in her crown area, it's not dry. So, you know, we have to use a blow dryer, and then it'll be a little frizzy. But anyway, so this is like our new thing now, you guys. We are going to be implementing this into, this is for the millennial mom who's on the go. This air dryer, I mean, you guys, we love it. We love it. And now I'm going to be trying this method on my hair next. So I can't wait to show you guys that. But anyway, you guys, so all her twists are out. She likes one side pinned up. Look at those curls. Look at that moisture. She is ready for the rest of the week, you guys. And we absolutely love it. Please do let us know if you guys have any questions. Check the description box for all information on the products we use, as well as the air dryer. And let me know, thumbs up if you want to see Kayla in more videos. And we'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye.